You can make your own simple curry powder using 2 spoons of coriander, a spoon of fennel, a spoon of fenugreek, a spoon of peppercorn, and a spoon of cumin seed. All these things needs to be roasted in order to bring out the flavor the more. Just roast it for like 1 minute 30 seconds. If you over roast it, it becomes burnt and it tastes bitter. You lose the taste. So after roasting, you leave it to cool. You're supposed to add dried ginger and turmeric. If you have your garlic, you can add as well. So now that it's cool, you transfer it into your blender cup. Then you can add your dried, I have it in powder, so you didn't need to roast it. Just add a spoon of ginger powder and a spoon of turmeric powder. Then you blend it together and you have your curry powder. All these natural ingredients are good to have in your food. Most of them contains antioxidants, and this helps us to build our immune system, prevent diseases, and also fight against diseases. Would you like to try this? Tell us from your own region, what do you usually have mixed in your curry powder, your herbal curry powder? Let us know in the comment section.